Welcome to Next Gen Mansions, where we bring dream palaces and timeless luxury to life. In today's video, step inside a world of elegance, from breathtaking interiors to majestic exteriors, each detail crafted to perfection. Journey through every royal space. Swimming pool. A shimmering marble pool stretches wide, surrounded by golden railings, sunlight sparkling across crystal waters of royalty. Dressing room. Velvet-lined wardrobes, golden mirrors, and jewel-toned drapery create a chamber of refinement. Dining hall. Endless marble tables under glowing chandeliers host grand feasts, crystal goblets sparkling in radiant daylight brilliance. Lounge. Vast velvet sofas and carved frames fill the wide salon, afternoon light dancing across fresco. Bathroom. Marble tubs, gilded basins, and crystal faucets gleam, while sunlight flows evenly. Balcony. Marble terrace with ornate railings opens onto gardens, silk curtains flowing in the breeze. Royal gardens. Endless floral avenues, sculpted fountains, and domed gazebos bloom under golden skies, enchanting with elegance and order. Discussion hall. Circular marble chamber with gilded chairs encircling a grand table, flooded in daylight. Ballroom. Glittering chandeliers crown polished marble floors, with gilded balconies and frescoed ceilings framing dances. Royal palace. Towering arches, domes, and marble facades gleam in daylight, no shadows. Throne room. Golden dais with towering throne beneath frescoed ceilings, radiant crystal light surrounding a chamber of majesty and rule. Game room. Polished wood, carved tables, golden chess boards, and silk curtains create leisure halls where elegant. Balcony. Private terrace draped in silk, set with marble tables and roses, an intimate escape for romance overlooking lush palace gardens. Chapel. Marble altar with stained glass windows glowing in light, golden carvings and angel statues. Kitchen. Vast stone hearths and marble counters shine, golden utensils aligned, daylight illuminating a culinary hall. Rows of polished armor, gilded swords, and banners line marble walls, a radiant gallery of strength, honor, and regal heritage. Lounge. Wide chamber of gilded mirrors, velvet chairs, and marble floors, glowing with serene grandeur. Observatory. Tower chamber crowned with a golden dome, telescopes aimed skyward, marble floors glowing under bright afternoon clarity. Outer of house. Majestic facade with domes, spires, and marble stairs. Step inside the ultimate palace, where grandeur meets elegance. The monumental halls gleam in bright afternoon light, marble floors stretching under gilded arches. Chandeliers sparkle above, frescoed ceilings tell tales of nobility, and every corridor leads to rooms of unmatched splendor. This is the big hall that contains all the mansion's glory. In the discussion hall, golden chairs encircle a grand marble table, bathed in sunlight. Strategy and counsel meet in regal style as light pours evenly, revealing the finesse of every carved detail. Outside, terraces and balconies offer intimate views over endless gardens, fountains, and sculpted floral avenues, all glowing in radiant clarity. The private chambers reveal velvet-draped bedrooms, jeweled dressing rooms, and opulent bathrooms. Lounges and game halls invite leisure with gilded furniture, crystal chandeliers, and polished floors. Each space flows seamlessly into the next, forming a unified palace of dreams where luxury, art, and royal fantasy come alive. Step onto the balconies and terraces to witness the sprawling gardens, manicured hedges, angel statues, and marble fountains basking in the golden afternoon. Every glance captures a magical fairy tale aura, from the observatory's celestial dome to the throne room's majestic dais, completing the ultimate mansion experience in one breathtaking panorama. Finally, the palace's exterior rises like a dream. Domes, spires, golden gates, and grand staircases invite you into a world where every detail, from the marble facades to sunlit courtyards, embodies timeless royal elegance. This is the Palace of Dreams, a cinematic journey in hyper-realistic, Baroque, Rococo grandeur.
So, I want from you which one mentions you liked a lot, like dressing room, dining hall, lounge, bathroom, balcony, royal gardens, discussion hall, ballroom, royal palace, throne room, or game room, or balcony, or chapel. Which one you liked a lot? So must comment in the below and tell if you liked a lot this video. I will create this type of videos more upcoming days. So I hope you enjoyed a lot, and I want from you, never forget to subscribe my YouTube channel whose name Nextion mentions, and never forget to click bell icon button because it's necessary to upcoming my videos to your account. So bell icon helps to notify our upcoming videos. So it's our royal mansions where we discussed a lot and view many mansions inside and outside and merged combined. Our channel is all about aquarium content and royal content. So if you want to see more videos, then go to our channel, and I already create a playlist. So click on that and watch videos. Our videos full clean and informative and full of beauty according to mentions. Mostly we focused cleanliness and beauty and cuteness. I hope when you watch then enjoy it a lot. So this video, I hope so enjoyed you a lot. It's our mentions, and now I talk about this, the outer mansions of the royal house that contain cars, gardens, and marble shaped and golden color and white color. And further, it contains a lot of gardens and royal mansion shaped. So, okay, thank you.